how I will change the question. So any question you can solve this type. I hope as long as A and B are integers. If A and B are natural numbers, only it will be number of factors. It will not be 2 into number of factors. It will not be 2 into number of factors. Why? Because in an integer only, plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. If it is a natural number, only one case we will get, that is plus into plus. I hope the idea it is clear. If I have to make it little complex for you, I can write the how many values 1 by root x plus 1 by root y equivalent to 1 by root 20. Now if you see here, x and y cannot be take 0 and x and y should take positive values. Should take positive values. How to solve this kind of questions? I will just give an idea. Till now we did a variable. Now I kept an under root in that variable. Method 1. Then probably direct equation you will get it. Method 1. Now see here. 1 by root y equivalent to 1 by root 20 minus 1 by root x. I can write like this. Squaring 1 by root y, I will square it in the next term. It is nothing but root x minus root 20 divided by root of 20x. Now squaring on both sides. If I square on both the sides, squaring on both the sides, if I square it, answer is nothing but 1 by y, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 20x. These is nothing but 1 by y equivalent to x plus 20. 20 is 4 into 5. So these is nothing but root 4 is 2. So 4 root of 5x divided by 20x. Divided by 20x. Now see here. This is an integer. This should be an integer. If it is an integer, under root 1 5 is there. So another 5 should be there and it should be square. X is nothing but 5a square. X is nothing but 5a square. Now similarly, instead of y, if I keep x, this will be y. Y is nothing but 5b square. Y is nothing but 5b square. I hope it is clear. This is an integer. Under root of 5x. 1 5 is there inside. So another 5 should come. Because it is an integer, under root it should be a perfect square. X is 5a square, y is 5b square. X is 5a square, y is 5b square. So if I write it, it is nothing but under root 5a square, under root 5b square equivalent to 1 by 2 root 5. Root 5 cancel. It is nothing but 1 by a plus 1 by b equivalent to 1 by 2. 1 by a plus 1 by b equivalent to 1 by 2. Idea clear, right? Don't do anything, sir. Root 20, it is nothing but 2 root 5. Remove this third and just write down the equation as 1 by a plus 1 by b equivalent to 1 by 2. Only ensure that you don't do any calculation mistake. Suppose a we got 3. A we got minus 3. What is x value? 5a square. 5 into 3 square is 45. 5 into minus 3 whole square is also 45. So a, if you are getting same value with positive and negative sign, only take one value. I hope the idea it is clear. 1 by a plus 1 by b equivalent to 1 by 2. Let me solve that for one question, then it will be easy for the next questions. 1 by root x plus 1 by root y equivalent to 1 by root 20. It is nothing but 1 by a plus 1 by b equivalent to 1 by 2. Root 20 is 4 into 5, which is 2 root 5. I removed third. So these is nothing but x minus ac, y minus bc. A into B into C square. Are you all with me? 1 into 4. So these is nothing but 4. 4 is a smaller value. So it is 1 into 4. Next it is 2 into 2. Next it is minus 1 into minus 4. Next it is minus 2 into minus 2. minus 2 into minus 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Now see here. Now 1 into 1 into 4. 4 can be written as 1 into 4. Now this can also be written as 4 into 1, and it is minus 4 into minus 1. 2 square is nothing but 2 into number of factors. 2 into 3, it is nothing but 6. A minus 2. If a minus 2 is minus 2, a value will be 0. This case we should not take. B minus 2 is minus 2. B value is 0. B0, A0, B0. This case we cannot take. This case we cannot take. Suppose A minus 2, it is 1. A value will be 3. B minus 2, it is 4. B value will be 6. So A value can be reverse also, 6 and 3. Next one. So this case over. This case. A minus 2 is 2. A value it is 4. B minus 2 is 2. B value it is 4. Okay. This is the case. Next one, minus 1 into minus 4. A value will be 2 minus 1, 1. B value will be minus 2. B value will be minus 2. A value will be, A minus 2 is minus 4. So it is minus 2 or 1. So check it out whether plus 1 minus 1 it is getting. If you are not getting, then you are. So what is x value? X is nothing but 5a square, y is nothing but 5b square. So 1 is 3 square, 9 5s are 45, 36 5s are 150. One case, reverse case. Next is 80, 80, one case. Next is 5 and 20, 20 and 5. So answer for this question is 4 cases. In case if you are getting A as plus 3, A as minus 3. What we are not interested in finding the values of A. We are interested in finding the values of X. 5 into 3 square, 5 into minus 3 square. That will give a same value for X. Be careful. I hope the idea it is clear. Even if the question is of the form 1 by root X plus 1 by root Y equivalent to 1 by root 20. Directly root 20 it is 2 root 5. Eliminate the third and write down. Eliminate the third and write down. So in the mock question, in one of the mock question, the question is like this. Many students thought that this question is a very difficult question. It is 1 by root 63. So directly you can write it as, once you know the logic, then these are all easy questions. It is 1 by 3 root 7. Root 7, if I eliminate it, it is nothing but 1 by A plus 1 by B equivalent to 1 by 3. So it is A minus 3 into B minus 3. These also you don't need to write it. 1 into 3 square. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 6 minus 1. What is that minus 1 case? Minus 3 and minus 3. A0, B0. A0, B0. X will be. So X is nothing but 7a square. Y is nothing but 7b square. I hope you understood why it is 7a square and 7b square. 6 minus 1. Answer is nothing but 5 values. Very easy. Once you know the logic, it is very easy. So not only how to solve the equations which are of the form A and B could be positive, A and B could be negative also. Answer will not change. I hope the idea it is clear. Clear idea? Now, A minus 3 into B minus 3. 2 into 3 minus 1. 2 into number of factors. Why? Because it is an integer. Minus 1. Denominator cannot take 0. Right? This model it is also clear. So, suppose if the question is 2 by x minus 5 by y equivalent to 1 by 10. What will be the answer? X minus AC. Y minus BC equivalent to A into B into C square. So these is nothing but minus 10 cube. So it is minus 2 cube into 5 cube. 4 into 4 16 into 2 minus 1. Directly within 5 to 10 seconds you will get the answer for the highly repeated problem if you have listened to this class. I hope the idea it is clear. A by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c. This question is based on integral solution. This question is based on factors. This question is based on LCM and HCF. This question is based on factorial is given, how to determine the number of factors. This question is based on prime numbers. Each and every question, one different model which we will discuss. Another question. This question is based on the Venn diagrams. This question is based on Venn diagrams. This question is based on Venn diagrams for a 3-set Venn diagram. For a 3-set Venn diagram. Now see here. For example, if it is 2 sets are there, one set, another set. Totally, how many regions we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Outside it is one region. Inside only A is one region. Only B is another region. And the common region it is 3. 2 sets I got 4 regions. So 4 is nothing but 2 square. Similarly, 3 sets. 3 sets it will be 1, 2, 3. Totally 8 regions I should get it. 8 regions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Outside it is 8. Please write down in your notes. If there are n sets, what will be the total number of regions? Total number of regions will be 2 power n. If there are n sets, number of regions will be 2 power n. If there are n sets, total number of regions will be n sets. I hope the idea it is clear. Now first we will solve this question. Then we will go ahead for the 4-set Venn diagram. The question can also be for a 4 sets. How many numbers from 1 to 1000 are divisible by 2? Okay. Neither divisible by 3 nor by 7. This is the circle which represents n of 2, n of 3, n of 7. All the problems under this set we will discuss. All the problems. These are nothing but n of 2. These are nothing but n of 3. Right? Are only divisible, sir. Only is missing. These are nothing but n of 7. Now listen carefully, sir. This region, it is nothing but numbers which are divisible by 2, 3 and 7, which is nothing but 6 and 7, 42. How many numbers are divisible by 42 from, let us take from 1 to 100 we will take. Let us make it a little simple question. How many numbers are divisible by 42 from 1 to 100? It is nothing but 2. So first fill that value. These are nothing but 2. These are nothing but 2. This entire circle, it is nothing but n of 2 and 3. 2 and 3, it is nothing but 6. How many are divisible by 6 from 1 to 100? 6 16s are 96. 6 17s are 102. 16, out of which 2 is already present. So it is 14. I hope it is clear. This entire region, it is nothing but the numbers which are divisible by 2 and 7. 2 and 7, it is nothing but 14. How many are divisible by 14 till 100? 14 7s are 98. 14 8s are 112. So 7 times. Already 2 is there. So these nothing but 5. How many numbers are divisible by 2 from 1 to 100? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 50s are 100. Total it is 50. 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 5 21. So these are nothing but 29. For this question, the answer is nothing but 29. It is a 3 sets, n of 2, n of 3, n of 7. I require only this region, only divisible by 2. I require this region, only divisible by 2, but neither by 3 nor by 7. This region I require. So from total circle, right, I removed all the remaining. Similarly, we will do it for 3 also. Now see here. So if it is only divisible by n of 3, n of 3 is nothing but how many multiples of 3 are there till 100? 33. So how many are divisible by 3 and 7? 3 and 7, it is nothing but 21. 21, it is nothing but 21 4s are 84, 21 5s are 105. So these are nothing but 4. So if it is 4, remaining 2. 4 plus 14, 18. These are nothing but 15. Similarly, n of 7. N of 7 will be 7 14s are 98. Total it is 14. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 means remaining it is nothing but 5. Remaining it is nothing but 5. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Is the idea clear? Right? How many numbers from 1 to 100 are only divisible by 2, but neither by 7 nor by 3. So just draw the circles n of 2, n of 3, n of 7. First start with these region and then slowly proceed. Once you fill these region, this value you will come to know. So total minus this. So these is nothing but this value. If you know this total minus this, I will get this value. Very, very good question. Venn diagram questions are the high frequency questions that are coming in your examination. Venn diagrams. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, you can extend it to 1000. This is one way. Sir, what if instead of it is only divisible by 2, 3 or 7, it is 3 sets. What if it is 4 sets? Now see here. What if it is 4 sets? Now listen carefully. First think. First we will draw the diagram for 4 sets. First we will draw the diagram for 4 sets. Then we will draw the condensed diagram. Very, very important, sir. Condensed diagram. First we will understand how to draw the diagram for 4 sets. 4 sets. 2 circles horizontally. 2 circles vertically. 2 circles vertically. 2 horizontally, 2 vertically if I do. These are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, outside 22. Totally how many we got? Total 22 regions we got. 22 regions we got. According to our concept, if there are 4 sets, how many regions we should get? 16 regions we should get. 16 regions we should get. That means 6 more regions we should duplicate it. If it is A, these B, these C, these D. Think logically. These nothing but only A. These also nothing but only A. Are you all with me? These nothing but only B. These also nothing but only B. These nothing but only C. Down also it is nothing but only C. These nothing but only D. These also nothing but only D. So here these duplicated with this. Here it is duplicated. These two duplicated. These two duplicated. So one is a mirror image of A and B. Another is a water image of C and D. So that is the reason we got. So if I am keeping this, I will not keep this. If I am keeping this, I will not keep this. So totally here 3 I will remove, here 3 I will remove. 3 plus 3, 6. That also, these is nothing but A and B. Here also it is A and B. 6 regions I will remove. So what I will do is, listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. So what am I doing is, I am removing these 3 and I am removing this 3. So left side 3 I am removing, bottom. You can also remove any of these. Keep one side and remove the other side. Now the diagram is, draw a line. See here, this is one semicircle. If this is a line, this is another semicircle. Draw 2 semicircle. One semicircle, another semicircle. Another semicircle. Next one. There is a semicircle like this. Can you observe? This is also another semicircle. This is one semicircle and it is another semicircle. Now all the questions will be easy for you. Once you draw the diagram, then the questions will be easy for you. What I did, I eliminated left side and I eliminated bottom. You can check the regions. Let us do one by one all the regions. Then it is filling only. These are nothing but only D. These are nothing but only C. These are nothing but only A. These are nothing but only B. These are nothing but A and B. A and B. D is nothing but it is a part of D. It is also a part of E. D is a part of D. D is a part of A. D is also a part of B. D is a part of D. D is also a part of B. D is a part of D. D is a part of C. And D is also a part of B. I hope you are all there with me. D is a part of D. D is a part of C. D is a part of A and it is a part of B. D is a part of C. D is a part of A. D is a part of C. It is also a part of A and B. D is a part of C. D is also a part of B. All that regions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are nothing but C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There is one more regions that the outside. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, these are nothing but 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Outside one, 16 regions. Extremely important. Right after you understand it, draw the diagram on your own and list it. Only if you can draw the diagram on your own, then it is all about just substituting the values. These are nothing but C and D. Total 16 regions are there. First important key point, if there are n sets, there will be 2 power n regions. So if there are 4 sets, 2 power 4 is nothing but 16 regions will be present. So how to draw the diagram, it is clear, right? First I have drawn 2 circles horizontally, 2 circles vertically. Then I realized that there are a lot of duplicates. I eliminated the duplicates. Then I listed this one. Once you understand these 4 diagrams, then it will be extremely easy. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, the same thing can also be done like this. Now see here. Suppose if n is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. N is given number has got prime bases 2, 3 and 5. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are, first question, divisible by each and every question right after the class is there, right? Upload it. So watch it, repeat it. Once it is uploaded, watch it, repeat it, make a note of important key points. It is not the problems, it is in every problem. How am I explaining the concept? How you should look at a problem, that is important. Divisible by 2, 3. Please write down all these questions, but not by 5. Divisible by 2, 5. Divisible by 2, 5, but not by 3. Divisible by 3, 5. Divisible by 3, 5, but not by 2. Another question, but not by 2. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5. How to solve this kind of questions without even using Venn diagrams? How to solve it without even using Venn diagrams? There is a natural number that is given 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 360 are divisible by 235? The number is 360. 360 only is represented as a power of prime bases. All write all 360 numbers. For every 2 consecutive numbers, one number is definitely divisible. 360 into 1 by 2, 180. I took all the even numbers because the first it should be divisible by 2. For every 3 consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 3. One number it is divisible by 3. So after taking an even numbers, I took the numbers which are divisible by 3. For every 5 consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 5. One number is divisible by 5. 360 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. For every 2 consecutive, one number it should be divisible. For every 3 consecutive, one number it should be divisible. For every 5 consecutive, one number it should be divisible. Answer is nothing but 12. 30 12s are 360. Idea is clear. No need of drawing any Venn diagram. Even if you draw Venn diagram, 2, 3, 5 is that intersection of all this. The number which is divisible by 2, 3 and 5 are the numbers which are divisible by 30. How many numbers are multiples of 30 till 360? 12 numbers are there. Idea clear? Next one. How many numbers are divisible by 2? So 360 into. Out of 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. Out of 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. Out of 5 numbers, 1 number it will divide. Question is but not. Out of 5 numbers, 1 number it is dividing. How many numbers it is not dividing? 4. Similarly, it is 360 into. Out of every 2 numbers, 1 number it will divide. Out of every 5 numbers, 1 number it will divide. Out of every 3 numbers, 1 number it will divide. It is nothing but 2 by 3. I hope you got an idea. Either use the generic statement and the converse of the statement. How many numbers are divisible by 3? Out of every 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. Out of every 5, 1 number it is divisible. Out of every 2, 1 number it will be divisible. Not divisible is 1 by 2. Not divisible by 2, 3, 5. So out of 2 numbers, 1 number it is divisible, 1 number not divisible. Out of 3 numbers, 1 number it is divisible, 2 are not divisible. Out of 5 numbers, 1 number it is divisible. How many are not divisible? 4. So these are nothing but 30, 30 12s are 12 8s are 96. 12 8s are 96. These are nothing but 15 20. 15 2s are 30. It is nothing but 12. Calculate the other. These are nothing but 30 12s are 24. These are nothing but 48. I hope the idea it is clear. In a lot of cases, you can avoid using Venn diagram if you know this concept of how to do the numbers based on the set of consecutive natural numbers. The idea behind this question is, in a set of 3 consecutive, 1 number it will be divisible, 2 are not divisible. In a set of 5 consecutive, take any 5 consecutive number that comes into your mind, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1 number 20 is divisible by 5. How many are not divisible? 4 are not divisible. Please understand this question. I hope you have understood how to solve the finding out the number of natural numbers without even using Venn diagram concept. If you enjoy this content, click on a like button. Right? I hope you enjoyed this very good way of solving the question.